Yo, what is going on, guys? My name is Liam here and I'm bringing you all a brand new video today. So I actually have a brand new little modding video for the Mustang GT here. I actually picked up a new rear deck lid from MP Concepts and a new badge, a Coyote badge for the back of the Mustang GT here to replace this stock one that came with the vehicle. All right, so hopefully the lighting's good right here, but just a quick look at the badge that's gonna be going on the back of the car. It's hard to see, yeah, but it is a black and red Coyote badge. Hopefully we can get the light better here. Yeah, hopefully that's better. Yeah. Okay, so taking a look around, I think I have everything. I just want to make sure, but we'll film it for the sake of this video. We have a soft surface. We have the deck lid. We have the OEM deck lid. We have the video showing us how to install the deck lid. We have the tools to remove the inside panel for the trunk liner, I think. And then a toolbox full of tools that we will figure out what to use at the time of use, I guess. All right, let's get started. All right, screw cover removal. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Okay, so now we're gonna be removing these two screws in here and these two screws right there. All right, so next we're gonna do the rear camera. After a long battle, we finally have removed the GT bumper, the rear deck lid. Okay, so we pretty much lost a ton of light. So I'm gonna pretty much clean this up real quick and get the new deck lid on. All right, look at that baby shine. All right, so I'm gonna try to record this part, but it's getting pretty dark and I'm gonna probably just pick this up tomorrow when I finish it and you guys can see it in the daylight. So I'm gonna set this new MP Concepts deck lid up with the new emblem and get it set up on the car. All right, here's the new deck lid. Go ahead and get this box out of here. All right, so I just transferred the actual clips for the bolts to the new aftermarket MP Concepts rear deck lid here, and I'm gonna set up the emblem on it. All right, so there's the badge on the back of the new rear deck lid. Let's go ahead and send it back onto the car. Alright guys, so we finally remounted the rear deck lid and the Coyote badge, and it's looking super nice on the back of the car. I freaking love the look of this. I can't get over it. But I did screw up, so I'm gonna have to do one little thing and just take it off. I actually mounted the rear backup camera upside down, putting it back on, so make sure you don't do that because I did it, and yeah. Just for reference, if you want to see what that looks like, I'll show you real quick here. So yeah, I gotta retake the rear deck lid off and remount it, but that's for another time. So I'm gonna pick this video up in the morning when you guys can see the back of the rear deck lid a little bit better. All right, so it's currently the next day and it's a bit brighter outside than this morning. So here's what the rear deck lid with the new Coyote emblem looks like on the back here, the Mustang. Looks super nice. Oh yeah. Let me get some more angles of this for you guys.